Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to crop an image to shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, go to the insert menu, select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am select a shape. Now I am select the triangle. Then draw the triangle to this sheet. Then select the triangle and go to the shape format menu. Select the shape fill drop down menu, choose picture. Then choose from file. Now I am choose picture from our file and select a picture, then click insert. Now we can see we crop an image to shape easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.